Sorry. Hello students, for next chapter Pythagoras theorem. Firstly Pythagoras theorem आया है तो हमको कंपल्सरी 90 डिग्री एंगल चाहिए. 90 डिग्री एंगल सेम ट्रायंगल चाहिए हमको PQR. In triangle PQR, angle Q is a right angle triangle. It's called as hypotenuse. Opposite of angle 90 is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse रहेगा हमारा ये. Okay. Nextly Pythagoras theorem states that in right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. In right angle triangle, first of all consider triangle PQR is right angle. Okay. In angle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree. So Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse square? PR square. Of course, hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. Remaining two sides कौन से हमारे PQ and QR. So it is the sum of remaining two sides. First side square plus second side square. So hypotenuse is PR here. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. It is a Pythagoras theorem. Now next topic is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. It's derived from these sides of a triangle. If sides of a triangle are given and it's prove the statement of Pythagoras theorem, then it is called as Pythagorean triplet. For example, if we consider triangle, composing 90 degree, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5 if we consider it. So by Pythagoras theorem क्या होना चाहिए हमारा? 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. So we consider first of all left hand side. What is left hand side? 5 square. 5 square is 25. Secondly, right hand side is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and addition of 9 plus 16 is 22. Therefore, by equation 1 and 2, both right hand side and left hand side are equal. So 3, 4, 5 like this. 3, 4, 5. That is a Pythagorean triplet. Triplet means 3 digits आना चाहिए. So it is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Okay. But there are many Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now next two topics are property of 30, 60, 90 triangle and property of 45, 45, 90 triangle. It's triangle ABC. It is 30, 60, 90 triangle means one angle is 30 degree, second angle is of 60 degree, and third angle is of 90 degree. Theorem states that it is obviously hypotenuse. Okay, it's also in hypotenuse. Opposite side of the 90 degree is hypotenuse. Theorem states that firstly the side opposite to the 30 degree of the triangle is 30 degree of the triangle is 1 by 2 times the hypotenuse. 1 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Space opposite to 30, that is BC, is equals to 1 by 2 times means half of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? Is okay. It's for opposite 30 degree. Okay, for 30 degree. And secondly, the side opposite to 60 degree. The side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC here. Okay. Side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Okay. It is property of 30, 60 and 90 triangle. Now property of 45, 45 degree. Firstly, both the angles are 45 degree, and lastly third angle is of 90 degree. So opposite angles of 45, 45 obviously are congruent. So if 45 angle is this and 45 angle is this, so PQ and QR both are similar. PQ and QR are both are similar. PQ is equals to QR. By similarity test. Okay. Property of 45, 45, 90 states that the opposite the opposite side to the 45 degree is 1 by root 2 times hypotenuse. What is opposite to 45 degree? There are two sides, that is PQ and QR. Both the are opposite of 45 degree are 1 by root 2 times hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? PR. PR. Okay. That is the property of 45, 45, 90 degree. First property is 30, 60, 90. Opposite of 30 is 1 by 2 times hypotenuse. Opposite of 60 is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Third one, property of 45, 45, 90 means the side opposite to the 45 angle is 1 by root 2 times hypotenuse. 1 by root 2 times hypotenuse. Okay. Next theorem is theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean. Theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, it is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Means in triangle, first of all we have to consider the right angle triangle P, Q and R. The perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse, perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse is the geometric mean. Means QS square is the geometric mean of the hypotenuse, which divided into two parts, means PS into SR, PS into SR. That is a statement of theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean states that the angle, a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment with the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment in which the hypotenuse is divided. The hypotenuse is divided. Okay. Now we will consider, or we will go through our next or first practice set, that is 2.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, we will identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. First of all, consider first one. First of all, we have to mention the pairs. We will consider it, okay, and yes, okay. So 5 square is 25 and 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16 plus 25. Therefore, it is a Pythagorean triplet. It is a Pythagorean triplet. Firstly, जो हमारा बड़ा नंबर रहेगा हमको उसका स्क्वायर निकालना है, और जो रिमेनिंग टू रहेंगे उनका स्क्वायर का एडिशन करना है. तो अगर वो दोनों इक्वल आते हैं, स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर का एडिशन इक्वल आता है, तो हमारा पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट रहेगा. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल कंसीडर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? इन फिगर एंगल LMP इज 90 डिग्री. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द फिगर. Angle it is of 90 degree. It's Q, M, N, P. Okay. Angle NQ is perpendicular to segment NT. इसका perpendicular दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. MQ is 9. QP is 4. We have to find out NQ by theorem of geometric mean. First of all, write down given that triangle MNP is right angle triangle. Secondly, angle NQ is perpendicular to NQ is perpendicular to side MP. Also, NQ is equals to 9 and QP is equals to 4. We have to find out NQ. Okay. Therefore, by theorem of geometric mean, theorem of geometric mean, क्या होता है? जब परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होता है उसका स्क्वायर NQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू साइड स्क्वायर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. NQ into QP. NQ into QP. NQ को फाइंड आउट करना है. NQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू QM 9 into QP 4. Okay, 9 4 36 NQ. taking square roots on both sides, therefore m2 is equal to square root of 36 is 6. Okay, square root of 36 is 6 here. Okay. Now directly question number, we will start question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. See the figure 2.19. Find RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. First of all, draw the triangle PSR. S R S P. It's of 30 degree and it's of 6. ठीक है, and it's 90 degree. तो obviously it is 30, it is 90, तो obviously it is of 60 degree. ठीक है, it's of 60 degree. हमको opposite side of the 30 degree given है. So we use this property, opposite by 30, 60, 90 property. Opposite of 30 degree. What is opposite of 30 degree? SR is equals to half of hypotenuse. Half of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? Opposite of 90. PR. PR. SR given is 6 is equals to 1 by 2 into PR. So PR is equals to 6 to the 1. 6 to the 1. Firstly PR is right here. Now SP we have to find out. SP is opposite side of 60 degree. Okay. SP is opposite side of 60 degree. So SP is root 3 by 2 times. Root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? PR. PR की वैल्यू वापस है. SP is equal to root 3 by 2 times PR. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 1. So SP is equal to 6 root 3. 6 root 3. Like this we will find out the both the values of the sides we have mentioned in the question. ठीक है. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Find the side and perimeter of square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, first of all, draw this square. What is square? All the sides of the square are common. Okay, we have mentioned the diagonal A, B, C, D. Okay, all are of 90 degree. All are of 90 degree. So consider any triangle. Consider a triangle B, A, D. In triangle BAD, angle A is of 90 degree. Okay, therefore Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Its diagonal is 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter को given है. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse here? BD square is equals to one side square plus second side square. AB square plus AD square. Firstly, ये square है, therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Since it is a square, so BD square is equals to, हम दोनों की जगह कुछ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. So AB square plus AB square कर देते हैं. 2AB square is equals to BD given है आपको, that is 10 square. Okay, 10 square 100 is equals to 2AB square. Okay, 2AB square. Now AB square is equals to 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2. Now taking square root on both sides, AB is equals to square root of 100, that is 10 divided by square root of 2. Square root of 2 as is, because there is no square root of 2. So we consider as 5 into 2, that is 10 divided by root 2. Okay, so 5 into root 2 को root 2 into root 2 लिखेंगे. Root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel. So value of AB or side of any triangle is 5 root 2 centimeter. 5 root 2 centimeter. Yeah, high length of a square. Now perimeter of square. What is the formula for perimeter? 4 into side. 4 into side. 4 as it is. What is the side? 5 into 5. 4 is a 20 2 centimeter square. Centimeter, only centimeter, okay? Only centimeter. The area of square A, B, C, D if diagonal is given. If diagonal is given. Now, last topic of our chapter Pythagoras theorem, that is application of Pythagoras theorem. Now, application of Pythagoras theorem. There are two conditions: if angle is acute and if angle is obtuse. Acute means less than 90, obtuse means greater than 90. Here angle C is less than 90, here angle C is greater than 90. Then property of application means application of Pythagoras theorem is AB square. What is AB and AC and BC here? AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC, and same for obtuse angle AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into DC. The first step इतना यहाँ पर है, difference is that there minus sign is there, here plus sign is there. If angle is acute, minus sign is there. If angle is obtuse, then plus sign is there. Okay. This application of Pythagoras theorem is only used in solving the example. Okay. Last topic is that Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Okay. In Apollonius theorem, if in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equals to 2AM square plus 2BM square. AM is the median or midpoint of BC and BM is half part of the BC. Okay, half of BC. Okay, that is Apollonius theorem is also used to solve the exercise question or application. It is written as application of Pythagoras theorem. Application of Pythagoras theorem. Last practice set of our chapter, that is practice set 2.2. Last exercise 2.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is in triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equals to 11, PR is equals to 17, PS is equals to 13, find QR. First of all, draw the figure. Figure is something like this. In triangle PQR as the midpoint of side QR. Midpoint means it divides into midpoint part. S is the midpoint of side QR. PQR is a triangle, and also given that QPQ is equals to 11, PR is equals to 17, PS is equals to 13. We have to find out QR. We have to find out QR. First of all, write down given that. Given that in triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of QR. Okay. Also PQ is equals to 11, PR is equals to 17. PS is equals to 13. We have to find out QX. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, what is Apollonius theorem? The remaining square, addition of squares of remaining two sides, that is PQ square plus PR square is equals to 2 times the perpendicular distance, that is PS square, plus 2 times the half part of the divided, that is QS. Now substitute the values. PQ 11 square plus PR 17 square is equals to 2 times PS 13 square plus 2QS square as this. Okay, 11 square 121 plus 17 square 289 is equals to 2 times 13 square 169 plus 2QS square as it is. 121 plus 289, that is 0, 1, 410 is equals to 2 into 169. 338 plus 2QS square as it is. Now 2QS square is equals to 410 minus 338 is equals to 2QS square is equals to 72 6 only. That is 6 only by Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now question number 2 is in triangle ABC, AB is equals to 10, AC is equals to 7, BC is equals to 9. Then find out the length of median drawn from point C to AB, side A. Okay. Now consider triangle. First of all, draw the figure. Triangle is A, B, C. Now the median drawn from point C to AB, point C to AB. Okay. It is P. Okay. Values are given. AB is overall AB is 10. Okay. AC is 7. BC is 9. You have to find out the length of the median drawn from the point C to P. Okay. Now median is like this. Okay. हम इसको D नाम देंगे. So CD is equal to half of AB. यहाँ पर median ड्रॉ हुआ है तो इसका हाफ आएगा, मतलब इसको 2 में 5 में डिवाइड करेगा. हम इसका डिवाइड करेंगे. What is AB? 10. 2 1 2 5 7. So value of median drawn from C to AB is this. तो अगर वो सेंटीमीटर में रहेगा और मीटर में रहेगा तो मीटर में रहेगा. With this we have finished our second chapter, that is Pythagoras theorem. Thank you students.